Okay, quiz 5, number 4. This was the same on both quizzes. So we want to find dy dx when y is x to the 1 over x. So I've got that. Y equals x to the 1 over x. Well, I say use logarithmic differentiation. What that means is take the log of both sides and then derive. So we like the natural log. So take natural log of y must be equal to the natural log of x to the 1 over x. Well, x to the 1 over x, I see I've got a natural log, and I see I've got a power inside it. So, using our favorite rule, we can pull that guy out and do that. That's equal to the natural log of y. Alright, so now, this guy's real hard to take a derivative of, but here, I've got two things multiplied together. I can take derivative of 1 over x. I can take the derivative of natural log of x. Okay, so let's derive everything. So take d dx of everything. Close this off. Right. And on the left here, well, derivative of a natural log is 1 over the inside. But you also have to account for the fact that y is not the thing I'm deriving with respect to. It's x. Right? So multiply by dy dx by the chain rule. Okay. Over here, well, I've got two functions multiplied, 1 over x and natural log of x. So derivative of 1 over x is going to be negative 1 over x squared. Derivative of the first times the second. Oops. It's natural log of x. Plus the first, 1 over x, times derivative of the second. Derivative of natural log of x is just 1 over x. Okay. So let's see. If I do this, I want dy dx. All I gotta do is multiply both sides by y. So dy dx equals, inside here, I could say I've got x squared, and I've got x squared in my denominator. I could call this negative 1 plus natural log of x over x squared times y. And I would accept that as a final answer. Or if you just wanted this guy up here, don't want to clean it up at all. Also, note that we know what y is. Y is x to the 1 over x. So I can get this in terms of just x if I want. So I could call this negative 1, I could even call this natural log of x minus 1, but whatever, times x to the 1 over x, just like that. That is the same correct solution.